Today topic is Ohm's law. I write Ohm's law. We define Ohm's law. The definition of Ohm's law is the potential difference. We write the potential difference across the conductor is. We write the potential difference across the conductor is directly. We write the potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. We write Ohm's law. The potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. Here we write in mathematical form potential difference is directly proportional to current. We write potential difference is directly proportional to current. Current move here. We write potential difference upon current is equal to constant. We write potential difference upon current is equal to constant. Symbol of potential difference is V, current is I, and constant here we write R. The symbol of potential difference is V, the symbol of current is I, and the symbol of constant is equal to R. Now we write unit of potential difference, current, and constant R. We write units. Here we write potential difference. Symbol of potential difference is V and unit is volt. The symbol of volt will be V. The unit of current I. We write the unit of current I is equal to ampere. It is denoted by capital A. Constant R is called resistance R. The unit of resistance is ohm. It is denoted by ohm. It is a potential difference. Unit of potential difference is V, volt, and denoted by V. The unit of current is ampere and denoted by a small a. Resistance is called प्रतिरोध. It is denoted by R, and the unit of resistance is ohm. The symbol of ohm is again we try. Potential difference indicated by V, current indicated by I, and resistance indicated by R. Now we write heading resistance, जिसको हिंदी में प्रतिरोध पढ़ते हैं. Here we write resistance. इसको हिंदी में प्रतिरोध पढ़ा जाता है. Here we write the ratio. Here we write ratio of potential difference across. We write the ratio of potential difference across the conductor. Across the conductor to the current flowing through it is constant. Is constant. We write the ratio of potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through it is constant. The constant is called resistance. The constant is called resistance. Now again, the ratio of potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through it is constant. The constant is called resistance. It is denoted by R. Resistance is denoted by R. Its unit is ohm. Now repeat the definition. The ratio of potential difference across the conductor to the current flowing through it is constant. The constant is called resistance. It is denoted by R. Its unit is ohm. Now here we write potential difference upon current is equal to constant. According to definition we write. Now again we repeat potential difference upon current is equal to resistance. Now we write symbol. The symbol of potential difference. We know that the symbol of potential difference is V. The symbol of current is I, and the symbol of resistance is equal to R. It is a formula of resistance. Now next topic is conductance. Here we write conductance. देखिए हमने रेजिस्टेंस लिखा था जिसको प्रतिरोध कहते हैं। मान लीजिए किसी चालक से कोई धारा, जिसको अंग्रेजी में करंट कहते हैं, बह रही है, तो प्रतिरोध जो है किसी धारा के बहाव का रुकावट होता है। जिस तार में जितना ही धारा का रुकावट ज़्यादा होगा उसका रेजिस्टेंस जो है उतना ही अधिक होगा। और कंडक्टेंस ठीक उल्टा है। इसको हिंदी में चालकता कहते हैं, अर्थात जिस चालक तार या विद्युत अपघट्य विलयन का प्रतिरोध कम होगा उसकी चालकता अर्थात कंडक्टेंस जो है अधिक होगी, अर्थात उससे विद्युत धारा अधिक प्रवाहित होगी। तो देखिए कंडक्टेंस का डिफिनीशन, वी राइट डिफिनीशन ऑफ कंडक्टेंस। अब वी राइट डिफिनीशन ऑफ कंडक्टेंस। The reciprocal, we write the here reciprocal, it is a correct. The reciprocal of the resistance of electrolyte. We write definition: the reciprocal of the resistance of electrolyte is called conductance. It is a definition of conductance. It is denoted by C. The symbol of conductance is C. Here we write mathematical form of conductance. We write conductance. It is a reciprocal of resistance. Here we write 1 upon resistance. Thus, the symbol of conductance we write C, and the symbol of resistance we write R. Therefore, the formula of conductance will be C is equal to 1 upon R. Now, we write units. Here we explain unit of conductance. We write unit of resistance ohm. This ohm go upper and converted into inverse. Therefore, we write unit of conductance ohm inverse. Ohm inverse is called Mho. Mho, symbol of Mho is equal to, it is also called Simon. Symbol of Simons is equal to S. These are units of conductance. It is the oldest unit. Next topic.